Hello teacher. Improve email communication and collaboration with email draft on Google Docs. Access drafts from any device, collaborate in real time, and track changes with version history. Here are the steps. First step is to open Google Doc and go into the Insert tab. Click the little arrow on Building Blocks option and you can see the option for Email Draft. It brings up this framework for you where you can treat it as an email by adding an @ symbol and typing in the recipient name and type CC or BCCs and subject. You can also type the body of the email. Next, you'll be able to see the Gmail icon on the upper left. When you click on that, it will open a new box directly linked to your Gmail account, which makes it easier for you by just clicking the send button. This feature can also be used to collaborate on class updates, invite co-teachers for editing, track changes with version history, and access drafts from any device. For more such tech tips from InnerScore that can help teachers like yourself learn new skills, save time, and navigate the digital world, subscribe to our YouTube channel.